Yesterday, after the price reached 3435.49 resistance level, the price has retraced back down, forming a strong bearish candle, almost bearish engulfing candle we can see yesterday, and the price has reached 3392.89 as a support level, and it has broken below that area of support. We can see that is indication of the strong bearish sentiment that has entered here at the supply zone around this area of resistance, when they also pushed the price down all the way below this area of support. All the buyers who have pushed the price up to this area of resistance, they have exited their trades here, and then the selling pressure has started in the market and also push it down very strongly, where the buyers have exited their trades, which has additionally pushed the price even further down. Now on the 4-hour time frame, yesterday I have commented that this bearish engulfing candle at the area of resistance here is suggesting that the price could drop down to this area of support. The price has done that, we can see that, reaching this area of support, and after that, after several 4-hour time frames, the price has formed two strong bearish candles. We can see them here all the way to the first support and also the daily support level 3392.89. After that, we can see the price is slightly moving down, trying to find its way further down. The price has reached the 4-hour time frame support level 3379.03, and we can see the price is currently bouncing from this area of support. On the 1-hour time frame, since yesterday, we can see how the price has behaved after the price has formed this bearish pin bar. I have mentioned yesterday the price formed this bearish breakout below this area of support, and the price has reached this area here, which I have mentioned inside the premium analysis with the traders. The link for the premium analysis will be in the description, so feel free to check that. The price has reached and bouncing from this area of support, returning back up, trying to move again to the daily resistance level, and then forming again bearish breakout, and then continue to lose its value. We can see two bearish strong bearish candles, a pretty large one compared to other ones, have formed this strong bearish sentiment that has reached the 4-hour time frame support level. Here the price has formed a decision candle after that, indicating, which is usually indication of the further movement in the same direction. That means the bearish direction. The price has formed a strong bearish candle that has took two support levels, and after that the price has gone all the way to the daily support level here at 3392.89, then going even further down, and we can see currently it is trading below this area of support on the daily time frame. Now what we can expect today? Well, based on this one, we can see the price is forming this bearish breakout, targeting here. This has already been done. Now it is mandatory to see how the price will behave with this candle. Will the price return back up, which will be indication of this small bullish momentum that will push the price to the daily resistance 3392.89, or will the price continue to lose its value? This is something that we can see currently on the 1-hour time frame, slightly more bearish than it is bullish oriented. On the 4-hour time frame, currently we can see that the price is below this daily support level. Currently it is acting as a resistance, indicating that it will reach this one, which has already been reached. These two candles is indicating that the price will reach this area. This has been raised. Now it is to see what will the price do in the 4-hour time frame with this candle. Will the price close like in this example, forming a bullish pin bar right here at the support level, or it will drop down even further? This is something that we need to pay attention and watch closely for the next several hours to see how the price behaves. But I have mentioned on the 1-hour time frame, it will be faster to see how the price behaves. Now on the 4-hour time frame, this looks like that. It is slightly more bearish than it is bullish, at least what I can see currently. Now on the daily time frame, we can see it is a strong bearish candle. It is a bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. This is suggesting further decline in value. So for now, on the daily time frame, I'm expecting that the price will drop down and reaching an area around this one here, at least 3368. 3368. It is something like in this example here, around this area of support and resistance between these two ones. So this is something that I'm expecting that the daily today the price will try and reach this one. After that we'll see, but if the price is trying to move further down, which means the daily support level 3357.05 is also the target that I am currently watching, that the price will reach. Because of the strong selling pressure that has been formed here at the daily resistance level, and I have mentioned yesterday that this area of resistance is pretty hard to be broken, and it is mandatory to see how the price will behave. I have not expected the price will make a retrace this strong that it will reach this area of support, but we can see that the price yesterday has created that strong retrace back down, and strong selling pressure has entered into the market. That's why I'm expecting that the price will try to reach further down. Now in this example we can see similar scenario like in this example, where we have a strong bearish candle going below this area of support, making bearish breakout. Then it is some kind of indecision candle, but the price has reached this area around 3368, a price level which I have just mentioned. And after that we can see the price was trying to move up, but it eventually has reached this daily support level. So this is the target that I am expecting that the price will reach today at least, if not in the next 2 days, but we will see. Let's go step by step. First of all, to see how the price will behave on the 1 hour time frame, how the price will close this time frame candle, and how the price will behave on the 4 hour time frame. But currently I am more inclined to see the price reaching lower levels, which means around 3368. Here it is, 3365 is the 1 hour time frame as a target for today. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and feel free to check the link below for the premium analysis, where I share the details when there is a breakout with a potential target and also an exit. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.